this video, I will show you how to transfer BNB from Crypto.com to Trust Wallet. So if you haven't started yet on Crypto.com, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free and to earn up to an additional $50 in bonus. So anyway, let's dive into the video by clicking on the three stripes at the top left. At the top, click on Crypto Wallet, and from here select BNB. Right now click on Transfer and click on Withdraw. And in here you can select External Wallet, click on Add Wallet Address, and in here we can see the network, and that is BSC, that is Bitcoin Smart Chain, and we need to paste in a BNB address. So let's go over to our Trust Wallet to obtain this address. So from our Trust Wallet, we're going to click on Receive, and here we're going to select or type in BNB. And now we can see BNB Beacon Chain and BNB Smart Chain, and we have BNB Smart Chain on our Crypto.com. I can see that by the BSC, so I'm going to click on the Smart Chain. And now I'm going to copy this wallet address and paste this in Crypto.com. Let's paste in the wallet address. And after that, I'm going to click on I am owner of this wallet address. And if you are not the owner of this wallet address, then fill in the details of the recipient. So after that, click on wallet type and let's select that. And in here, select non-custodial wallet and click on done. And then give the wallet a name. So I'm just going to call it Trust Wallet BNB. And now I'm going to click on continue. Right now it's asking us to trust this wallet address, and please be sure that you have the right wallet address inserted. So I'm going to click on yes, I trust this address. So after you have confirmed with your code and your Face ID, then you can click on withdraw in here. And now you can click on confirm and withdraw. Right now enter the amount that you wish to withdraw. So I'm just going to select everything I have, and that is around €4. And I'm just going to select max. So let's select max and click on withdraw. And right now we can see where the transfer is going to. So confirm that you have the right wallet address in here, and after click on confirm at the bottom. So as you can see, our withdrawal request was submitted. So now we can click anywhere to continue. And now our transfer will be processed. Please note that this can take some time, maybe up to an hour max, but sometimes even faster. So go ahead and check your Trust Wallet for an update on this transfer. So as you can see, our BNB has arrived in our Trust Wallet. So please note that the fees can be high, so that is only beneficial to transfer when you are transferring higher amounts. But anyway, that is how you transfer BNB from Crypto.com to Trust Wallet. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.